I could be seeing things, but I think there's some brake rotors right there. I know I said I wouldn't, and here I am. But I was driving by and he put this out and I saw this, so I'm gonna grab it. You still take stuff. I know it's freezing up. I don't really care. Well, we'll take the full chair. So, as you can see, my breath is out there. It is early Monday morning. I just drove by there to see if he had anything. And when I went by that way, there was nothing. When I came back, I went down to the next park or driveway to back out and come back this way. And he pulled it out. So I spotted it, stopped and got it. It's Monday morning, it's cold, but I'm gonna run anyways. I'll take this. Come on. Let's take it all. And the bottom to it. Yeah, this is plastic. That's metal, but yeah, I'm not gonna fool with it. Garbage man's one block over. So I'm gonna keep looking around. Oop. Little stuff on the ground. We'll pick that up for him. Yeah. Not much, but Christmas lights. Take them. Any other Christmas lights? Nope. All right. Yeah, come on. We'll keep looking. Yeah, it's just a metal tin, but metal is metal. I will take it. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, something in here. Christmas ornaments. Oh, come on. Curious. All right, let's close this back up. Yeah. Come on. See if I can break this open. See what's in there. Come on. Oh, it is indeed. Yeah, nothing for the old fat guy. Just scrap metal. Careful. Check it out. Water heater. Woohoo! It's about time. I've been driving around quite a while. I don't care. I'm having a great time. And this just made it greater. That is cool. Little pipe there. Let's see how you stuck in the snow. Nope. Snow, hit me out. Ice, don't help me out. All right. Yeah, I'm being very careful. As careful as I can be. I just want to stand this up. Oh, come on. Oh, this thing is annoying. Yeah, you go inside there. Let's see. Come on, baby. Up you go. Up you go. Up you go. Wow. Icy. Don't slip. Here we go. Yeah, I'll get that trinket later. Right now, I just want to get her in the van. I knew that would happen. Oh, all right. Well, let's see what happens here. If I can get it going. So the problem is that one can I found. Oh, brother, look at that. Let's see if I can. Yank it back out some. That should be good enough to get a hold of that can and move it. No, not that one. The other one. Oh. Right here. That worked out real well. Well, now I should be able to get it up in there. All right. And see, pull it on a little bit. Oh, it's okay. There we go. Now, that's the stuff. Let's get that stuff there. Gently, carefully. Woohoo! Dog bark. Woohoo! Any goodies in here? Nope. Yeah. It's a certain kind of goodie right there. Oh, I didn't think it could smell that bad in this cold weather. All right. Good deal. Great deal. Nice. All day long and a month of Sundays. Let's keep going. So let me clear up some confusion. Why am I out doing this today when I said I wouldn't? Yeah, there's the light housing in here, folks. My wife has a broken tibia in her left foot. So, get one more moment here. And she's out of work. So I need the money. Any money I make doing this, I don't have to cough up out of the bank account. So that's why I'm out. You can say, well, you're burning gas, Fatty. That is true. I'm burning gas. But the other part of this, is, I'm gonna move these over, is that with these videos, I have enough subscribers. Thank you so much to all of you. I'm gonna do this slowly because I don't want to pop those lights. There we go. I have plenty of subscribers and enough views where, so from empty, it takes about $60 to fill the tank on this. Well, with the views I get and the subs I have, I make enough to actually fill the tank on this close to 3 times a month, just off YouTube money. And that's not counting the scrap money. So, and what's the most prevalent metal? You're looking at it. Steel. You can find steel most of the time. Not all the time. But I gotta go. I have to go. I have to find it. Because with the wife out of work, we're low on money. I got some set aside, not to worry. But set aside can get eaten up pretty quick because she's going to have to be out of work for an extended period of time. So I'm going to keep looking. I think, okay. I saw the microwave. I think there's more, folks. I think there's more. God almighty, I think there's more. I could be seeing things, but I think there's some brake rotors right there. Oh, yeah. Money. And dry path. Sweet. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay, plate gone or not? Nope. But it's about to be. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah. that's plastic. I don't want to give that away at the scrapyard. Look at this. See? You don't go home. You take. Yeah. Okay. We'll come back for those. Well, it's going to take 3 trips because I got 2 hands and I'm not very sure-footed on this crap. So we're actually going to walk out this way to the snowy ice and back onto the soft stuff. There we go. Because bit of loose snow is better than solid sheet of ice. Oh man, over you go. There you go. All right, these I don't need anymore. I'm gonna chuck them up front. See? I can't believe this. I really can't believe this. I mean, yeah, I should back up a little bit, but so when I saw it, I was on here, and my tires, as I said, have less tread than my head. So I was pump, slowing down. Oh man, that is so awesome. Check it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, look at that. Curb gifts. These two should be wide enough to maybe. Oh, brother. Oh. Yeah, it's 8 degrees Fahrenheit out right now, according to the gents on the radio that I listen to. Careful. There we go. I'll throw these right here. You could go over the top. There. Keep this back over here so I can take it up front when I get this other stuff. Yeah, see, that's solid sheet ice right there. This snow was slightly loose, but loose enough for me to walk on. So I'm not doing I can't think of any skaters' names. Right off the top of my head. Oh, man. Oh, brother. Okay. Just like, there we go. Wow. Yep. I love it. And I'm sure many of you scrappers who have been out on the curb or looking in dumpsters, you come across these, you're as happy as I am right now. How cool is that? And I still got more to check. See if it still has its cord. Indeed. Woohoo! I like it. It's a Hoover. Reminds me of a joke I heard, but I can't repeat it. It's a family channel. Has to do with watching a certain kind of movie in reverse. Yeah. What is that? You're right. I'm doing this again. I'm so excited and so happy to be out and finding good stuff that I'm just throwing these in and not cutting these off, and I should be. I'm just asking for more headaches. Better to do it now, one at a time, than have to stand in the cold and do them all at once. So that I can get right back in the van and where it's nice and warm. Yep, that's this on once. This, the rotors and the microwave on one street. That's pretty good. Morning, folks. It is Tuesday morning. It is slightly colder than it was yesterday, but there's no wind, which is a bonus. Okay, what do we got here? That might be metal. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah, look at that. It's a light housing. All right, let me get this in the back of the van. Yeah, it's, you can see my breath. Not a good way to start. Yep, so I have been running what I would call a Tuesday scrap run proper, which is the Tuesday route that I can always count on to go on. Yeah, look at that. Oh, brother. Okay, you're going to be in there tight. And, oh, man, okay. I'm going to have to put all this stuff back in. Waiting for somebody to come out. Hey, put all that back in there. What are you doing? And get your metal out. All that for this. And, okay, let's get this in the back. Hey, it's better than nothing. I'll give you that. I don't even know if that's metal. It's metal of some kind, but I don't think it's steel. All right, let's go put all that stuff back in there. So yeah, this has been it. Now I do have a bunch of other areas to check. There, come on. Let's tweak the front of this a little bit. So it looks like it's rocking. Put the light stuff in the back. Get in there. So I'm by no means done yet, but yeah, I'm gonna keep looking. I saw a cord. I don't know. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. A little fan, or a little heater. Yeah. Take it up front, cut the cord, and chuck it dirt where. Come on. Come on. There we go. Back you go. I gotta do this pretty fast because I think the garbage man's about to come around the corner. Yeah, shit. Pardon my French. I want to get this. It's slippery. Morning. I'm just grabbing this. I want that speaker and this cord. Oh, ah, man. Sorry about that. Scrap metal, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cool.
You too. There. All right. Hit one slick spot right to another. So this is the extent of what I have found. Sit down now. In this area. That's it. So I haven't found anything since that little heater. This is it. Let's see. Get you back up again. There we go. So I'm gonna get, whoa. I'm gonna get out of here. Well, folks, this is it. Last street. Last thing I found is the last thing I found. That Bose speaker. So, not too good today. Not like yesterday. But, no complaints. Had a good time running around. So, tomorrow, scrapyard, scrapyard, scrapyard. Alright? My love to all of you. Each and every one of you. Everywhere. Thank you for coming along. I appreciate it so much. So much. Alright, folks. Everybody have a wonderful, awesome day.